Hello everyone, 10BestOnes here with another video, and today we are going to review the top 5 best home subwoofers in 2017. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to find out the price and more information about these subwoofers, you can check out the links in the description and the comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5 we have the Yamaha NS SW300. The Yamaha NS SW300 combines the best of features, design and sound quality, making it a great asset that will fit into every room size. It has an impressive design with a gentle curve in front and piano black finish, and by being the twisted, it delivers an outstanding bass response. Moreover, it has an LFE input that accepts crossed-over signal from an AV receiver as well as stereo RCA inputs if your AV receiver has a normal subwoofer output. But that's not all, it also features speaker-level inputs and outputs, so you can use it with an older 2-channel stereo receiver too. The built-in power amplifier delivers a power output of 250 watts with high efficiency while minimizing power heat production. By having a coilless filter, it produces extremely low noise and distortion, but excellent and clear sound. The power and volume buttons, which are the most used, are laid on the front surface of the unit for easy access and are inclined at an angle of 45 degrees. There is also an LED indicator, so it can be seen even in dimly lit rooms, and you will know whether it is turned on or not. The system control terminal can be linked to an amplified power for automatically turning on or off, and there is also an auto standby function. This means that if there is no signal for a certain period of time, it automatically switches to the standby state, and when signal gets detected, the power turns on automatically, limiting the wasteful consumption of electricity. The sound is great, thanks to Yamaha's advanced active servo technology, in which the speaker and the amplifier are working together to minimize the resistance to the speaker unit so it will have a perfectly linear motion. And this technology also helps in ensuring the highest level of sound pressure and overall performance. In addition, this highly efficient 10-inch woofer produces natural and smooth low end that plays a very supporting role for floor-standing speakers. Overall, this is an affordable subwoofer with very high quality and produces enough sound to transform your room into a home theater. Moving on, at number 4 we have the ELAC S12 EQ. This modern subwoofer takes you to a completely new level. It is a 12-inch bass driver powered by a 1000-watt bass amplifier and enhanced by a 12-inch passive radiator, creating amazing low frequencies and beautiful sense of realism. It is very modern because the auto EQ is incredibly effective, giving you a very smooth response with minimal effort. You can even use the application for getting numerical measurements. It is equipped with an advanced Bluetooth, so you don't have to get up to set it to your personal preferences, but you can just use your mobile phone to fix the settings. The S12 EQ offers a variety of listening modes, such as normal, music, cinema, and night. If you turn it to the normal mode, you will receive a greatly designed response for a listener. The music mode produces a boost to the bass at under 40 Hz, the movie mode gives you a boost up to 55 Hz, enhancing your listening experience to a greater level, and finally, the night mode is great because it automatically turns down the sub's volume by adding a limit, so you and your neighbors won't get disturbed while they are sleeping. The sound is incredible, and you'll be glad to have a subwoofer used for home theater. The frequency response is 200 to 1250 Hz, and the crossover frequency is 50 to 150 Hz, and it is continuously adjustable. When you auto EQ this subwoofer, you're expected to hear a smooth measured frequency response at the listening position, and when you use it in a subwoofer EQ or bass management, it sounds really good if you compare it with similar products in this price range. Overall, this is a wonderful subwoofer because while you are watching your favorite movie, listening to your favorite song or playing a game, you can expect sound out of this world. It is very realistic sounding, and accompanied by a rich bass reproduction will give you a lot of joy. It is pretty affordable too, and you can get a really modern device that can be controlled by an application, upgrading your listening sessions and more. Next up, at number 3 we have the Klipsch Sub 12HG. The Sub 12HG subwoofer delivers something that most of the woofers are not capable of, such as two lowest octaves of the 10 that human can hear. This company is known as a manufacturer of incredibly high quality audio devices, and this product is one of their best. It features line level and speaker level inputs for compatibility, accompanied by a 12-inch woofer that gives deep and rich bass tones. It also has a 300-watt bass amplifier for wall shaking experience, 650 watts of dynamic power, an automatic on and off or standby mode for efficient usage of energy, and of course a 12-inch fiber composite cone that eliminates the issues connected with the buzzing. That's not all. There are also line level and LFE RCA inputs included to ensure compatibility with old and newer receivers. This subwoofer is finished in matte black with small clips branding at the bottom of the front side, while the back features the usual suspects including a speaker, inputs, outputs, volume with low-pass knobs, RCA line-in, and attachable power cable. It has a blue and red dual-color LED display on the front, so you can know whether the unit is on or in the standby mode. Sub 12HG is a real star when it comes to producing quality sound. It will shake your house and take over your entire setup even when it is not maxed out. With one word, it is a killer. In addition to its ability to play loud and go deeper than anything else in this class, it wraps technical superiority and eye-catching cosmetics into one affordable package and perfectly anchors a home theater or two-channel system. The subwoofer's built-in low-pass crossover can be continuously adjustable from 40 to 120 Hz, and its bass is very clear and tight at lower volumes. Overall, this subwoofer delivers some of the best performance you can find at this price range, no matter if you want to listen to loud music, play a game, or watch a movie. It has enough power to deliver deep and yet accurate bass, and you will be able to hear every detail of the audio. Moving on, at number 2 we have the Bulk Audio PSW505. The Bulk Audio PSW505 is a great subwoofer which is packed with features, and it comes with an affordable price tag. It has a very good looking design with a solid real wood covering finish gorgeously stained in black. The front features a curved cloth grille with a large oval for the woofer, and controls on the back are plentiful with tunable low-pass crossover, phase switch, volume control, and an attached power cable. This unit is equipped with a 12-inch long throw woofer capable of up to 300 watts of continuous power and unfiltered LFA input with low-pass filter subwoofer output jacks. Moreover, for your own safety, this model is equipped with a magnet shield which makes the placement next to any other electronic equipment possible, so you don't have to worry about having unfortunate accidents, which usually don't happen too often. It also features Bulk's Audio Innovative Dynamic Balance woofer, which is a design that helps tune out any unwanted resonances. When it comes to the sound produced, Bulk Audio PSW505 is awesome. Its low venting design allows all the pressure to be easily released out of the chassis while reducing any turbulence and delivers a much tighter response. The bass is very tight and clear, giving the illusion that there is more low end overall. This is great when you're watching movies or listening to your favorite music, because you will notice the bass detail very accurately. Lows are rich and full-bodied at all volumes, and they never produce any distortion, and they sound very sharp and huge. Overall, the Bulk Audio PSW505 is a great addition that suits into any home entertainment system, no matter the size of the room. The high-quality design lets you know right from the start that you have a great unit on your hands that will be durable for a long period of time, accompanied by a beautiful sound. So, you don't have to go to your local cinema to be able to watch movies with amazing sound, because with this subwoofer, you can get great sound inside your house at an affordable price. To finish off our list, at number 1 we have the Klipsch R112SW. Well, this is our winner for today, and I'm glad to talk about the Klipsch reference known as R112SW. This awesome subwoofer features a 12-inch spun copper cerametallic driver and delivers up to 600 watts of power, and a frequency response of 24 Hz to 125 kHz, equipped to handle a wide variety of listening sessions. It has an integrated low-pass crossover and phase control settings which will allow you to optimize the sound of the subwoofer based on your preferences or listening environment. This aside, you also have LFE and line level inputs placed on board, and the front-mounted LED power indicator lets you know whether the system is powered or not. But that's not all. A great thing included is the line level and the LFE RCA inputs that help in ensuring the compatibility with old and new receivers. It is very power efficient, so it automatically enters standby mode after a certain time of inactivity, only using 0.5 watts of power to conserve energy. Another great feature is that it is wirelessly ready, and it accommodates the optimal W8 to wireless subwoofer kit. The combination of a transmitter and receiver pair lets you place your subwoofer anywhere without any need to run a cable from your audio source. This is simply wonderful. The sound is remarkable because of the front-firing design, which allows placement flexibility, and the internal geometry reduces port noise, giving you a clean low frequencies without any noticeable distortion. The bass is very deep and beautiful because of the subwoofer's low frequency tones with other speakers that are establishing the ideal level of enjoyment. This is great and gives you the opportunity of catching every detail when it comes to loud music or any movie moments. Overall, if you're looking for a modern subwoofer with beautiful design, wireless capability, and gorgeous tone reproduction with an attractive price, this is the one especially meant and designed for you. Enjoy every single feature and be sure that the sound is very high quality, that you will not be able to stop using it. Add the durability, which will serve you for years, and you should be more than convinced to buy it without any hesitation. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you like this video. You can find links to all the subwoofers down in the description and the comment section below. So if you wanna find out the price and more information about them, you can go check out the links there. Also, if you have any questions related to these subwoofers, you can leave a comment down below in the comment section and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you again for watching and I'll see you in the next video.